If you want search engines to easily understand your content, you've got to implement entity mapping. Entity mapping works like this. Let's say that your topic is how to smoke brisket. The first step is to identify and break down the topic into its core entities. These are nouns like people, places, things, or concepts that are central to the topic. So it could be brisket, which is the main subject, smoker, which is the tool used, wood, which is the material used for smoking, temperature is a critical factor, rub is the concept of applying seasoning, smoke ring is a result of proper smoking, and Texas BBQ is a style of BBQ associated with brisket. Now the next step is to identify the attributes for each entity. Which are the characteristics or properties that describe the noun, such as these describe brisket, these are for the smoker, these are the different types of wood, the correct temperature to cook the brisket, different kinds of seasoning, the attributes of smoke ring, and the attributes of Texas BBQ. Following that, the next step is to map how these entities relate to each other. This is where you define the connections between entities. For example, brisket is cooked using a smoker, smoker uses wood to generate smoke, wood imparts flavor to the brisket, and to make the relationship between entities even clearer, we can say that brisket, which is an entity, is cooked using a smoker, which is another entity. Smoker, the entity, uses wood, another entity. Wood, the entity, imparts flavor to brisket. Brisket requires a temperature of 225 Fahrenheit, etc. That's how search engines will understand the relationship between entities.